First growing season is done. I'm going to trim up some of the strong shoots just to balance them out a little bit, wire them up for the winter. Most of the leaves have fallen off. I'm just picking off the ones that are still there, popping them upwards. It works pretty good. Don't pull them downwards or you might strip the bud off. Been using about 5mm wire. 1mm is just too thick. And we're ready to go till spring. I'll unwire these once the buds start popping. Here goes another example. You see the branches start bending over. Winter time's a good time to wire them up. Make sure you get that broom shape. We'll do this every year. And we're done. Ready to go. We'll see you in the spring. I'm out.